everybody. So we're doing these extra announcements today because this is the day of the Fit-A-Thon kickoff fundraiser. It begins today. Our actual Fit-A-Thon event is on Friday, November 22nd. That's the day before Thanksgiving break, but we're raising funds all the way up until that day. This is the biggest fundraiser of the year for the PTA. IVA also has their own fundraiser. The goal for the Fit-A-Thon fundraiser is that every student raises $86. The goal of the annual family fund that we'll do later is $260 per student. So this is all the money that your school is asking in order to have all the great things. The Fit-A-Thon fundraiser mainly raises funds for buses for the field trip and also shade for the blacktop. That's the whole point. It costs like so much money to get shade, and we want big, big shade on the blacktop. Okay. So really quickly, here's the information that you need to know. This is the biggest fundraiser of the year, and you have to raise funds before the Fit-A-Thon, by midnight before the Fit-A-Thon, in order to get all the prizes. Starting today, we're asking you to go to pledgestar.com/IVA and set up your own fundraising page. So right here is the challenge. If you enter 10 valid emails into PledgeStar by Monday at 6 p.m., you will get a popsicle party on Friday at lunch. Bonus for the first 40 students, which probably it's going to happen today when you get home from school. The first 40 students who enter 10 valid email addresses, not like an IVA student, but a family or friend who will donate funds straight to the school, then you get a free Chick-fil-A card. There's a lot of prizes, and I have people that are helping me explain the prizes and also how it went for them last year. Introduce yourself.
I'm Deviana.
I'm Aaliyah.
And I grabbed them at lunch. So here's the prizes. 10 emails by the 4th popsicle party Chick-fil-A card. $25 earns you an extra ticket for the opportunity drawing. If you get $50, you get 2 tickets and a free dress day. So if all you raise is $50, you get a popsicle if you do it by Monday, plus a potential to get a Chick-fil-A card, 2 tickets, and a free dress day. How many funds did you raise last year?
Last year I got like $100.
$100.
Not like 1,000 something.
$1,000. So we're going to imagine this. So $100, Aaliyah, you would have gotten all this stuff. 2 tickets, free dress day. And Daviana, we're going to see what yours was. $100, you would have been in what this year is called Club 85. I think I said $86, but I think it's $85 that we need to raise. If you raise 86, that's just like, oh, how nice. Club 85, if every student gets $85, we'll meet our goal. Club 85 people, you get 4 tickets, plus a free dress day, plus VIP access to the Gaga Ball and the Fox's Chill Zone. During the Fit-A-Thon, we're going to have this Chill Zone. Gaga Ball, will you remind us what it is?
It's like when you are in a ring, and then it's like people are hitting a ball.
There's people inside, and there's a ball that bounces, and It's wild and crazy and super fun on the day of the Fit-A-Thon.
I almost died.
Yeah, it's pretty intense. Okay, but if you get 125, so this would have kicked you out last year.
Yeah.
If you got 25 more, maybe if you had this like goal, then you would have done it. You're entered for a $50 Amazon gift card plus 5 tickets and all the things before that. If you get 250, which you would have been able to get 10 tickets plus a Boba Loca and board game party. If you get 500, which you did twice over, 20 tickets, all those things, and a limousine lunch. So that's only for the people who raise 500.
So I get to pull up in and out in a limousine?
So I think it's going to be a Thursday after school. You are going to be picked up in a limousine, go to In-N-Out, get tons. You're going to get lunch from In-N-Out, go to a park, and just you guys in your limousine get to celebrate at the park. Hi, Ms. Hughes. And grand prizes. First place prize gets a Chromebook or 225 Amazon gift card, plus you get to be principal for a day with an In-N-Out lunch.
Grace got to be principal for a day last
Grace,
year.
Grace did an amazing job, and she got AirPods. Second place, AirPods or a gift card. Grade level. If your grade, do you guys think your grade level will win?
I
hope
think
they
sixth
do.
grader. Honestly, I think
Sixth
sixth
grade
graders
always,
are,
they have the most passion.
Yeah.
They're the cutest. When you guys were sixth graders, you were the cutest. But I don't know. You could fight it. The grade level that wins receives an ice cream sundae party plus a free dress day just for the grade level. This is the extreme thing. If the whole school meets the $20,000 goal, we get an entire week of cozy free dress and a popsicle party.
Come on, y'all. I need to walk
We
around.
need to walk around in pajamas
For a whole
Right?
week. For a whole week. Imagine it. There's going to be other pop-up incentives.
That's my sister's
But
birthday.
today, you can start going to pledgestar.com/IVA and entering in your emails. You have to do it by Monday, November 4th at 6 p.m. to get the popsicle on Friday. There's lots of really cool ways to fundraise. We'll talk about it later, so my video is not too long. But last year, there were students who fundraised. Yeah, Shanti and Nandini. And they did extra money for the Fit-A-Thon. So here's what happens at the Fit-A-Thon. 9 stations. One of the station is the chill zone, but there's potentially karate, a water balloon toss, gaga ball.
We did a water balloon toss?
We didn't do it last year. We're doing
That
it
would
this
be
year.
fun.
Infinity. So all it is just this fantastic day to celebrate having raised money, whatever amount of money we raised. We're also looking for extra easy ups and cornhole games for the Fox's Chill Zone. And thank you to all the teachers who did these kind of things. You guys read one that stands out to you.
Mr. Burns, because they're my favorite teacher. That's a science teacher.
Mm-hmm.
After school slime making party for the winner and 3 friends.
And it looks like he did another one that's after school to Baskin Robbins.
Ooh.
Aaliyah, any of these ones?
I don't know. I think that there was a lot of good ones.
Miss Schmidt,
yeah.
Burgers and
Miss-
Doodle Lunch.
I like
And there's also like amazing extra prizes. There's
Yeah.
4 tickets to the Broad Museum, 12-month subscription to Polly's Pie,
Polly's
where you
Pie,
get a pie
Seminole,
once a
yeah.
month.
Holly Pie's mom.
Voice
Polly's
lessons
Pie,
with a
yes.
professional voice instructor, 2 tickets to the aquarium.
With who?
There's just gonna be so many prizes. So here's how you do it. You go home, you send an email. The more emails, the more funds raised. The more funds raised, the more prizes. The more funds raised, the more blacktop shade.
Yes.
So
we need that.
pledgestar.com
It was too hot
/IVA.
Mhm.
From all of us to all of you, go send your emails.
Okay.
Ciao.
Ciao.